We are continuing our coverage of the Alex-Murdaugh double murder trial, and there were several witnesses today who were asked and then testified about what Alex-Murdaugh's demeanor was that night at the crime scene.
Our Sam Perez was in the courtroom today. She is live with a breakdown of one witness testimony. Sam?
Yes, Jason Chapman is with the Colleton County Sheriff's Department. He's been on the stand for hours today, answering questions from the defense and the prosecution about what he did when he arrived at the scene of the crime.
Again,
now he was describing Alex-Murdaugh's demeanor.
The stress on his face. I didn't see him cry. Not everyone cries. I don't have an issue with that. There were times that when we got to certain places or asked certain questions that you could see a slight demeanor change or body language shift. And, I took note of that, but again, just as a point of investigation. But he remained at the scene. He wasn't forced to say. He was cooperative, but he did, there were times that you could see reaction to different things.
That's how Chapman described Murdaugh when he was at the crime scene. Now, while answering questions from prosecuting attorney Creighton Waters, Chapman said he didn't know what he was walking into. He didn't have any suspects in mind, he says, but he worked to protect the scene. The South Carolina Law Enforcement Division was called to investigate, but Chapman says rain was coming. To protect the scene, Chapman testified his officers began protecting potential evidence. Defense attorney Dick Harpootlian asked him about the crime scene integrity and showed evidence of footprints at the scene that were allegedly crossed over by an investigator. Reporting live in Walterboro, Sam Perez, News 19 WLTX.